Welcome on board the Aura Mobile Library. We are visiting various stops around Flintshire for you to come and have a look and choose some books. Come on board and we'll show you around. To keep everyone safe, we ask everyone to use hand sanitizer and we are cleaning regularly. We are also limiting the number of people on board the mobile library at one time. Our friendly mobile library driver David is here to help you. You will need to let us know your name and phone number for track and trace. You can order books through our Select and Collect service and collect them on or outside the mobile library. Then you can browse the shelves and choose some of our fantastic books. Don't worry if you have difficulty with stairs, as our mobile library has a great access lift so you can come on board. We hope you enjoyed your visit and we hope to see you again soon.